Good morning, all of you. This is your English class, and you are all children of class 4. Today's date is 12. What did we discuss in our class? What did we discuss in our class? Who will tell me? మనం నిన్న క్లాస్ లో ఏం డిస్కస్ చేసుకున్నాం? We discussed about comparing between two lessons. Which two lessons? The golden rules and the torch. Which one, children? The golden rules and the torch story. We discussed about the golden rules and the torch story. Everything was written on the board. Ninna motta board మీద రాసాలి. Still you did not do the homework, both class students. Similarities and differences. Both are same between two lessons we discussed yesterday, and also we talked about differences also from the two lessons. Yes, children? So today we are going to discuss about the next part of the story. Today we are going to start a new block, children. But before that, I want to conduct one more test. Okay? Before we start new block, before I want to start block 4, I want to discuss and keep a test, one more test. Okay, children? So you all want to write once again the test? This time the test will be on 2 blocks. Block 2. Block 2 test will be tomorrow, children. Note down. Block 2 test will be tomorrow. Flip test tomorrow. For 10 marks. So block 2 test will be tomorrow. Once again I am repeating. Block 2 slip test will be tomorrow for 10 marks. Okay, children? All of you heard? So today we will discuss about our block 2. Okay. I will screen share you the block 2 pictures, children. We will revise. Okay. All of you look into the screen shares. Those who have notes can start reading, children. Yes. Can you see the screen share? Can you see the screen share? Simon Ognya? Okay. Shall we start reading? Shall we start discussing about it? Tomorrow you will have a test on block 2, I said. So we will discuss, okay? Keywords. What is the first one, children? Scientist. What is the first one? Scientist. What is the spelling of scientist? All of you read. Second one is discovery. What is the second one? Discovery. 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 Okay. Third one. Thrilled. What is the third one? Thrilled. 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 What is the third one, children? Thrilled. Thrilled. Humanity. Human. Humanity. Humanity. What is the fourth one, children? Humanity. Gagandeep, are you reading? Next. Expensive. What is the next word? Expensive. E-X-X-P and pen. S-I-V-E. Expensive. Okay, children? Expensive. Next, kindness. What is the next one? Kindness. K-I-N-D, kind. N-E-S-S, ness. Kindness. Kindness. What is the spelling of kindness? Who will tell me? Who will tell me what is the spelling of kindness? Yes, very good. Distress. What is the seventh word? Distress. D-I-S. Dis. T-R-E-S-S. Stress. Distress. Okay. Next. Beamed. What is the next word, children? Beamed. What is the spelling of beamed? All of you read. B-E-A-M-E-D. Beamed. Pallavi, reaches now. Okay, very good. Next. Greedy. What is the next word, children? Greedy. Consonants and vowels. Greedy, greedy. Yes. Generous. What is the next word, children? Generous. 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 Repeat the word generous. Gagandeep, read the word generous.
Generous. Generous.
Okay, very good. Embarrassed. E word ne nibbanu, leave it. Okay. Sneaked. SNEAK. Sneak. EDL. Sneaked. Repeat, children. Sneaked. Sneaked అంటే ఏంటో తెలుసా? తొంగి చూడడం. Okay. Next, glossary. Beamed. What is the meaning of beamed? Smiled happily. What is the meaning of beamed? Smiled happily. Distress. Distress. What is the meaning of distress, children? Feeling very sad. Stress అంటేనేమో కొంచెం sad ఉండడం. Distress అంటే చాలా చాలా sad. ఓకేనా? Feeling very sad. Distress, feeling very sad. Embarrassed. Embarrassed. ఈ మీనింగ్ కరెక్ట్ గా ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేయమంటే క్లాస్ అందరిలో ఉన్న టీచర్ తిడితే ఎలా ఉంటుంది మీకు? హాయిగా ఉంటుందా? క్లాస్ అందరి ముందు టీచర్ తిడితే మీకు హాయిగా ఉంటుందా? సో ఆ వర్డ్ ఏంటి? Embarrassed అంటే మంచిగా ఫీల్, బ్యాడ్ ఫీలింగ్. ఓకే. Make someone look or feel foolish. Make someone look or feel foolish. Are you reading? What is the meaning of embarrassed? Good. Expensive. What is the meaning of expensive? Costly. ఇక్కడ పెద్ద మీనింగ్ ఉంది కానీ it is a one word answer. Costly. Something that costs a lot of money. What is the meaning of expensive? Something that costs a lot of money. What is the meaning of expensive? Something that costs a lot of money. Very good. Generous. Generous ante chala helping nature. Willing to give something more than needed. Okay. వాళ్ళనే జనరస్ అంటారు. అడిగితే ఎవరైనా హెల్ప్ చేస్తారు కదా, అడగక ముందే హెల్ప్ చేస్తే దాన్ని ఏమంటారు? జనరస్. Willing to give something more than needed. Thrilled. What is the meaning of thrilled? Feeling excited. My father ఏమైనా గిఫ్ట్ తీసుకొస్తారంటే ఎలా ఫీల్ అవుతారు? Excited కదా? Thrilled. So feeling excited. Finished? Any doubts? Any doubts, children? Next we will go to question and answers. Okay, make sentences with words. Own sentences. You read it. I will discuss question and answers. What object in the story the thought cheese The same as the golden feathers in the golden goose. Which one is same? The torch is like the golden feathers of the goose. Kada? Two stories lo same em unnai. Torch is like the golden feathers. Kada? Why was Dr. Ganesha excited about the torch? You want to read, Simon Agya? Unmute.
The golden goose gives a golden feather. Torch gives golden things.
Okay. Our second question is, why was Dr. Ganesha excited about the torch?
Dr. Ganesha was excited about the torch because it turned things to gold and
Yes.
help many people by giving them the golden thing.
Yes. So మీరు ఒక్కడి వరకు రాస్తే సరిపోతుంది. Dr. Ganesha was excited about the torch because why? Question నుండి ఆన్సర్ స్టార్ట్ అయింది. ఓకేనా? Dr. Ganesha was excited about the torch because it turns things into gold. అందుకే కదా ఇష్టం. It turns things into gold. Okay. Next. What did Dr. Ganesha give to the woman? What did Dr. Ganesha give to the woman? Easy question.
Torch light should shine for half a day to charge.
Manognya question విన్నావా టీచర్ ఏం అడుగుతున్నావు? క్వశ్చన్ విన్నావా? నేను ఏ క్వశ్చన్ అడిగాను? What did Dr. Ganesha give to the woman? Dr. Ganesha ఏమి ఇచ్చాడు woman కి?
Dr. Ganesha gave a gold apple,
Golden apple
a golden doll,
and a golden ball. Dr. Ganesha gave a golden apple, a golden ball, and a golden doll. Okay? Easy kada answer.
Yes, ma'am.
Next, fourth question. How much time the light should shine on things to change things into gold? ఎంతసేపు light shine అవ్వాలి things పైన?
The
The
torch
torch light should shine. Gayatri read this. Okay?
charge things into gold.
Wait, Manogya, wait. Gagandeep, read it. Fourth question answer.
How much time the light should shine on things to change things into gold?
Once again. The torch light should shine for half a day to change things into gold. Correct or not? Correct kada? Next, last question. Who stole the golden torch? Ever దొంగతనం చేశారు golden torch ni? The woman stole the golden torch. What happened after that?
Tried to use
Golden torch and tried to use it, but she has broken it. Kada? Try చేసింది కానీ కుదరలేదు. She has broken it. Okay, children. Pallavi, read చేస్తావా answer? Fifth question answer. Unmute Pallavi.
the woman.
Yes.
The woman stole the golden torch and you
Tried to use
tried
it.
to use it, but shine have broken each.
Correct. The woman stole the golden torch and tried to use it. తను కూడా థింగ్స్ ని గోల్డ్ లోకి చేయించడానికి ట్రై చేసింది. కానీ అయిపోయింది అది? నో. తను ఇదో కొట్టేసింది దాన్ని. వెరీ గుడ్.
Ma'am, fourth answer would read, ma'am. నేను రీడ్ చేస్తాను మ్యామ్.
ఫోర్త్ ఆన్సర్ రీడ్ చేస్తావా? ఓకే, రీడ్ చేయి.
The torchlight should shine for her a day to change it into gold.
వెరీ గుడ్. ఓకే మా, వెరీ గుడ్. అట్లీస్ట్ ముగ్గురైనా ఈరోజు నోట్ తెచ్చి ఆన్సర్స్ చెప్పారు. ఫైన్. రేపు టెస్ట్ కి ప్రిపేర్ అయిపోతారు కదా?
ఎస్ మ్యామ్.
రివిజన్ అయిపోయినట్టే కదా అందరికి? గగన్దీప్ ఓకే? కిరీటి, are you reading, Kiriti? Tomorrow test will be there on block 2. Once again I am repeating, tomorrow test will be there on block 2 for 10 marks. So all of you should study for it. Okay, come back to the board. ఈ నోట్స్ నేను ఆల్రెడీ గ్రూప్ లో షేర్ చేశాను.